Hi everybody and welcome back. If this thing falls over, it's because one of my dogs is gonna knock it over. My dogs are being a handful right now. They're slobbering all over me. So I want to talk to you about my favorites this month, and I have really found I found a couple new things, but really have just fallen in love with some things that I already had and I already enjoyed. Yes, I am filming the same day. I keep taking my sweater on and off because I keep getting cold and then I get hot. So it's just that time of year. Yeah, so I'm going to get started, and I'm kind of going to go through this in the order of what I'm loving. Need to get one thing out here. Okay, so first I want to talk to you about what I've been using in the morning for skincare. So I've been using this Clarins Extra Firming Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream, and I just have a little sample of it. It's like this should be in the empty, so I'm gonna squeeze it bone dry until I get my order in, because this is fabulous. I'm 40. I'll be 45 years old in a couple of months. And, you know, I want to look like I'm 20. So, taking care of your skin is important. I've been using an Estee Lauder cream, a night cream, very similar, firming for your neck and your face. It's a sample as well. I'm in love with it. The problem is, it's $90 for a jar of it. I'll get it. I'm not ready to spend $90 on cream. I mean, a jar of it would last me forever because I don't put a lot on. So anyways, so this, and you saw the SK2 in my empties that I was loving as well as a toner. I did buy today some of this Mario Badescu toner. It's the aloe vera one. So I just want to see how that works. Oko? I think Oko has a favorite too. Getting on my nerves. Alright. So, we're going to put that back in the drawer because, like I said, I'm going to squeeze that till I can get no more. Alright, so the next thing I am absolutely in love with is, so you guys know I do my skincare and then I do my eyes. So I have had this Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I've got a bunch of these around here forever. Forever. Never used it. Never. Oh my god. This is amazing. You guys know I love my Painterly Pot from MAC, but this has been my favorite this month. It's much lighter on the eyes. It makes your foundation stay, your eyeshadow stay all day. It's just fabulous. Fabulous. Alright, so I haven't really been focused on any particular palette this month. I've been trying a lot of new palettes, but for my everyday palette, I've been going to my singles palettes. So I have two, and you'll see they're very similar. I have Makeup Geek palette, and yes, I still have Z palettes. I know that's like not politically correct, but oh well. I like them. That's my Makeup Geek shadows. And then I've been using my ABH shadows. Very similar colors. They perform very similar. But in love with them and using them on my daily. I hear something. Yeah. So I will get well, let's just talk about this. This is the Ciate London Wonder Wand. This is a mascara. It is almost dry. If I'm not using this, I'm using my my voluminous curved brush from L'Oreal. Just what I'm using this month. Just what I'm liking. So, yeah. Alright. Now let's talk about some primers. Primer. So, I already showed you guys in my use up that I used up one of these Makeup Forever mattifying primers. Just another product I've had for a long time, and just it's really working for me right now. The other primer I have and I love, it's very similar, is the One Heck of a Blot. I would say the One Heck of a Blot is a very good dupe for this primer and much cheaper. So I've been using those two primers. And then I use this one. This is my Dior Skin Forever and Everwear primer. And I use this when I'm using my Dior Forever foundation. I don't know why I do that, but I do. So I've been in love with two foundations this month. These two. This is my Dior Forever, and then this is my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Both of these are staples in my collection, and I will always have them. Full. And I've been applying them, and excuse my brush, it's very dirty. It's very dirty. This is not a Real Techniques. This is an Eco Tools brush. This brush, I keep calling them brushes, I'm so sorry. This sponge is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Run out and get you one. So it's got like a flat edge here, and then it's curved like a beauty blender is. And then it's got another flat edge here. So, in love with that. In love with it. In love with it so much, I think it's probably time for me to throw away. I use this a lot. This is that old Tarte one. I'm probably going to throw that in the trash because it's old and, you know, I shouldn't be using it. Not if it's old. So, what I've been using for a setting powder this month is the Hourglass. This is the Diffused Light and Ambient. This is what it looks like. Just gives your skin a perfect glow. Oddly, I don't have any of these products on today. I actually have the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation on, and I have my NARS Crystal Powder on today. But I have been loving this month. I use it every day. And then I've been using as a bronzer my Chocolate Soleil every day. I think I have 2 or 3 of these in backup. Horrible. Horrible. I'm a little hoarder. I'm a little makeup hoarder. Great, great, great. I bought the gold one, the Chocolate Soleil Gold from the Gold line when they did the chocolate gold palette, so I'm really excited to get this finished up so I can start using that. Of course, I have my Hoola I have to use up as well. I have been using my California blush. I wouldn't say it's my favorite. Let me show you what one of my favorites is. And I keep it in my little stand here. This is just always been a favorite. It's a matte blush from MAC. It's called Mocha. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous. And that's always in my little drawer here. And then for our highlighter, I bought this Makeup Revolution Skin Kiss and Peach Kiss. Look at this. This thing is huge. It's almost the size of my face. And I've been using this highlighter. This is beautiful. It's very subtle. It's not like you're going out looking like a disco ball. It's gorgeous. So you guys should pick these up. I haven't picked up any other colors yet. I should have today. And then I want to talk to Betsy. Then I want to talk to you about my setting sprays. So I've been using this Project Beauty Spray Set Go. Just because I'm trying to use this up. This is good, but I'm telling you, this Milani Make It Last. Oh my God. I just got it like last month and it's halfway gone. Love this. Love it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright guys, so that is my okay, I have to put everything back where it belongs. I'll go crazy. Don't go crazy. Yeah. So those are the things I've been loving this month. My husband bought me some Burberry perfume, Miss Burberry, for Christmas. I really am enjoying that, but it's really a wintry scent because I got the classic. I think I'm going to invest and pick up a bottle of Tom Ford. It hurts to say it because it's so expensive, but I want the one that smells like the beach. Every time I say that, I forget the name of it, but it smells like the beach because I had a sample. I loved it. And but every time I say the beach, it reminds me of that Seinfeld episode when Kramer came up with the scent the beach, and then Calvin Klein stole it from him. So it makes me laugh. But anyways, as you guys know though, I have so many little samples. This is my little sample jar, so there's no need for me to rush out any day now and pick up any perfume. I have plenty of samples to keep me going for some time, but maybe for my birthday I'll get some. Alright, my beauties, that's what I got for you this month. If you have any questions, you want to know, the different shades, I did pick up an Hourglass bronzer, just a little mini one because I want to try it, and I do want to get a little mini blush as well, and maybe I'll pick that up at Sephora tomorrow, Easter, because I don't have anybody make an Easter basket for me, so I guess I'm going to have to make my own Easter basket at Sephora. Alright, my beauties, I will see you soon. The next thing that we are going to film today, and the last thing we'll film today, well, maybe not the last, but the next thing we'll film is sorry, I had a weird notification. The next thing we're going to film is the makeup switch up, and I may do an eye look with the blood sugar palette. We'll see. We'll see how far I get today. Anyways, guys, love you so much. Thank you for everything. Mwah. Have a great Easter. Bye.